Hello guys, today I'm here in the Swiss military store and let's check out what they all have. So are you ready? Let's go! Wow. Let's check guys some belt here. I'm here in the army store because let's check what is so interesting here. Maybe later I can buy something or was. Yeah. Oh, I like this one. The color is blue with the Swiss. I don't know. And if you want books, oh, they have also a bag made from the real animals here in the military store. They have different things that you can see, but I don't know all the name, but let's check around. This one for sure you know all guys, it's a typewriter. And that one also. Oh, this one they have. What is this? I don't know the name of this. Is this a radio or what? Radio, camera or what? Taschenlampe mit battery. I don't know in English. Oh my goodness, it's a. They have also. Or this. This one is cute. It's used for grilling. I don't know how to open, but. Ah, it looks like this. If you want to grill, yeah, but not for killing animals, just for grilling. Maybe this one is good. This one can kill you also. Oh my god. Oh, they have clothes. Oh. How much is the price? Oh, this one is cute. And candles. They have also different tools for gardening. Gardening. Oh, small and big axe. And this one, I remember this thing when I was a child. We have this one, but I don't know the name of this box. But it's written, what is written here? Monations. I forgot the name of these guys, but I know this one. I just don't know the name. This one is common in the Philippines. Many people using this one, especially if it's sunny. And my ankles. That's cute. Bush foot. What's of this? It's water resistant. If it's raining, it will not be wet. Let me see also. Ariko, what can you say, guys? I look like a soldier. Yes, sir. Let's try the other. Which one? Maybe this. I'll try this. How do I look like? I look like Kuya Kim. It's cute. So many different cups that you can choose. Oh, this. It's like Russian. It's wrong. It's like this. Ah! It's like this. It's cute, huh? Many. Ah! Soldier. Oh, it's cute. I think someone will check also the cup, but we should. I think I like this. Yeah, it's good. It's comfortable to wear. What can you say, guys? Does it look good on me? I think I'm gonna buy this. It's good. Okay. The bag. This one is cute. With leather. But it's heavy. It's a leather bag. Handtasche with leather. And this, what is this? Ah, the mask. But I can't open. It's not allowed to open. And then clothes again. This one, guys, is a military bike. Looks good, huh? 495. Wonderful. The difference between the other bike, if you the brake, it's on the top. They have also this, so it saves your ear if it's too loud. You can use this also for if you're shooting. And the other color, oh, the cap, but it's safe because you have helmet inside. So don't worry if you fall, you're still safe. And here's the bag. Different size, different color. Rucksack assault laser. Oh, good, huh? Wow, it's cute, this bag. I like the color, but it's heavy. For lace. And then other color. Which is better, guys? This one? Other. This. That's it. Same price also. What is this for shopping? Joke. It's light. Ay! And the famous color like in the movie. First, it's big. Oh, this is cute. Belt bag. Pouch. It's cute. How much is the belt bag? 5 cents. Oh. This one is, it's all cute naman, this bag. Shoulder tache, night gown, olive, camouflage. Oh. For water? Just for water or for coffee also? Cocktail tache. Oh, like a belt bag. Oh, or really a belt bag. Oh, they buy many of these, huh? Because they use also for camping. dancing. Okay. We have also guys for cooking, cleaning, everywhere. Everything, they are complete. I remember someone that need this, but not for mosquito, but for the feet. They have also this. What's the English of this? The duyan? I don't know. They have also this wonderful chair. It's foldable, and if you go camping, you can bring this so you will feel comfortable. When you're sitting, put your snacks there and your drinks over here. Then, perfect. If you want souvenir guys from Switzerland, you can have these socks. Boots. Guys, I'm ready to go to the war. This is heavy. I will check later how many kilo is this. I think I will not gonna die by bullet. I'm gonna die for this. It's heavy. How do I look like? Yeah. No, this. Okay guys, that's the end of my videos for today. That's the military shop. Oh, and I noticed you forgot to write a question in the comment section below. So I'm still waiting for the question so I can make the question and answer videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.